Hey guys, so today I am silk pressing my hair at home by myself. This is super important to me because I haven't done it since my hair journey in my big shop, so 3 years. But anyway, here is a look at my hair. I've had it under a wig for about 3 weeks, so we're giving braid pattern curls. So we are going to clarify with our Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo, follow up with a moisturizing shampoo, the Mazzani Moisture Fusion Milk Bath, and then my Holy Grail Deep Conditioner, the Honey Miracle Hair Mask from TGIN. So after we towel dry, you can see all of the heat damage that is driving me crazy. It's so disgusting and it makes me so sad and I hate it, but that's okay because we're working through it. Next, I am using a leave-in. There was no reason I use this leave-in, but I will link all the products and tools that I used in the description box. This is really just the only thing I had at the house, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend this product, but you could try it if you like. Next, I am dividing my hair into 6 sections, and I am going to detangle them thoroughly. I am using a wide tooth comb. I'm starting at my ends and working my way up to my root. Be careful with this process, you guys. Take care of your hair. It's wet, so it is in a state that you could cause some breakage, so just be careful. Now I'm going in with my Silverbird hair dryer, using it on the highest setting and the hottest setting, and I am using the tension method. So I am pulling my hair, pulling it taut, and then I am using my blow dryer with my concentration nozzle to just blow the hot air on my hair to allow it to stretch itself out. Without me brushing it so much, I feel like the brush causes a lot of breakage. So after it's been stretched, I then go in with my brush. Ooh, look at that. Did you see that? Did you see that smoke? I was like, oh my God, no. The heat damage. But it's okay. That was just steam. You'll see some more of it. But I go in with the brush just to smooth everything out to prep for the flat iron. You know, you want your hair to be very stretched out before you flat iron, otherwise it's gonna look a little poofy and we don't want that. All this smoke right here, you guys, is just steam. It's fine. And this is how it looks once it's stretched out to my liking. So I'm just gonna continue to do that all over my head. I'm finding it a little bit more difficult from the last time I did it, like actually did my hair. One, because my hair is longer. This is the most, look at my face. This is the most length I've actually retained, like through my whole hair journey. So it was a little workout. So after I blow dry my full head with the tension method, I like to go back in with my comb attachment to really make sure I got the roots and make sure everything is just dry and stretched completely. Because I'm trying to reach like to the back of my head, it's hard for me to make sure everything is like dried the correct way. So the comb really helps. And this is how I like to have my hair before I flat iron it. I think this is stretched correctly. So now I am going in with my hot comb. I actually got this hot comb from Walmart, so I'm really surprised at how well it's working. I really just use it on my wigs, but I am just trying to make sure my edges are sleeked out so I avoid having to put, a lot of edge control or just a lot of products in my hair to weigh it down. This is me trying not to burn myself. But I feel like I didn't even really have to get like super, super close to straighten it out. So if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time I post a video. So now we're gonna go in with my flat iron. I'm using a Babyliss flat iron and it's the titanium plated one. And I'm also using a carbon comb, aka a heat resistant comb. So I can use the chase method. So I'm taking very small sections of my hair and I am just using my flat iron. I hit my my roots a couple times, and then I do one pass with the flat iron. One pass. So I hit the root, one pass, chase with the comb. I pull my hair out first, and I also did comb my hair before to make sure it was tangle free. As I'm pulling my hair, I put the comb right there, hit that flat iron, and then just follow through. This flat iron is also set to 450 degrees, the highest setting. I feel like if I just use one pass at the highest setting, it'll cause less heat damage than me putting it at 350 and going over it 3 and 4 times to get it straight. So I am just using this same method all over my head until I get to the top and finish. To be honest, I was a little surprised that it was this easy to straighten my hair. Back in high school, there is no way I would have gone and used a flat iron with one pass and it looked like this. Like, you had to go through the whole flat iron the roots. The blow drying process took the longest time. Like, I don't know why it was so hard for us to know how to do our hair. So it's really just a great feeling to know how to handle my hair the proper way, because whew, it took a minute for me to understand. I'm still understanding. But anyway, after that, I want to show you guys my hair. This is like a little 360 look. This is the length. Again, you guys, this is the longest my hair has ever been. Like, I've never retained this much length. So, but length is not my goal. Healthy hair is my goal. Side note, that's some bio silk that I'm using. And I'm just applying a teensy bit of that in my hands, warming it up, and then pressing it in my hair because I wanted to make sure my hair doesn't frizz up from the humidity outside. You want to use a little bit of this. Don't weigh your hair down, because my hair will weigh down if I use too much product, especially while it's straight. And now I'm just taking the curling iron and throwing a few loose curls in here. I'm not doing this any type of way, but I just want to add a little bump to my hair. This is also set to the highest heat setting. Add a little volume, But yeah, so it is just really comforting for me to know how to handle my hair now. Back in the day, the natural hair movement wasn't as big as it is now. So it's just beautiful to see that we can have healthy hair in all ways, and just understanding too that what healthy hair actually is, because I just saw a meme on Instagram and they were like, heat trained hair. Is heat trained hair really just heat damaged hair? So when doing my curls, I'm just trying to curl away. I also haven't parted my hair in any specific way because I kind of just want it to fall. Looking back on this, I would have done tighter curls because the curls didn't last that long, but they did give a pretty little bump at the ends, but they're gone today. This is what it looks like. So cute. And I'm just going in with my comb and gently separating the curls because I didn't apply any hairspray or anything, so there's nothing really holding them, but I'm combing them out just to continue the style. And this is the final look, guys. A silk press done by me at home. I'm really proud of myself because it looks really, really pretty. I threw a little bit of makeup on to get the last shot. But yeah, this is my hair. This is how it looks. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it.